All right, and now it's time to claim my car. How do we do that? It's official when you get the Bluetooth on. So, Stefan, my man, thank you for the car. I gotta delete this. Yeah, I'm gonna delete Stefan's Note 20 Ultra, which is a great phone, by the way. Kirsten, sorry, gotta take you out. Daddy, gotta delete Daddy. And then the Galaxy Note 20, we gotta delete that one. And we need to add a device. We're gonna add, start pairing your phone. We're gonna add Andre's phone. Oh, yep, that pin number matches. Let's pair the phones, and we are officially married. Bam! Andre's Note 10 has successfully paired. Woo, it feels good to be in here. Now, I've already changed some of the personal settings of mine. You know, I like to have the gasoline range before we run out of gas, which is quite often in this car, and also the water temperature up over here on the left-hand side of the center tack. We're gonna go through this and enjoy the car. I'm gonna wash the car real quick. It needs a nice little wash down. It's obviously quite dusty, as you guys saw. Made its journey from Atlanta back to Los Angeles. I'm so happy it's here. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up and talk about why I purchased this car again. And so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, while I wash this car, you guys will get a little bit of a preview of the car while it's being washed. But more entertaining than that, check out the shop. Go buy some merch. You're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna appreciate seeing you guys wear it. If you do end up buying something, take a picture, send it to my Instagram. I'd love to post it on my story on Instagram. That would be fantastic. So yeah, let's get this thing washed up, cleaned up, get you guys some more visuals, a walk around, some B-roll, and we'll be on our way rocking and rolling, baby. Let's do this. All right, so first things first, I like stripes on a Viper if it continues all the way down the bumpers. This one does not. This one has stripes that end right over here at the base of the hood, go all the way to the top of the hood, to the roof, and then right over here, it stops. Luckily, these stripes are stickers. So I'm gonna remove those stripes right now. And we're gonna do that together. It's gonna take all but 5 minutes probably. And we're gonna get some proper stripes on this thing. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna have some serious fun and some serious content with this car. I'm so happy right now. I am just so thrilled. All right, we got one stripe off. Okay, we're gonna pick this other one off right now. It took like 3 minutes to peel that thing off. I'm not opposed to the stripes. I just like it clean without them. What I don't like about the stripes on this particular one is how it's blank over here. Now the ones that are painted, the Vipers that have painted stripes, you can tell they're painted because all this part is filled in. On a vinyl stripe like this one, you can't really do the sides here in a one piece, and it looks kind of funny when you wrap it with like 4 or 5 different pieces. So that's why it has that little empty spot there. But you know, some people say it looks like it has fangs like a Viper, which is cool. But for me, it's not my favorite thing that the stickers give the car. So we're gonna peel this off, clean up that residue that's from the vinyl. By the way, the entire car has a clear bra on it, which is absolutely phenomenal. That's why the paint is so clean. Even the headlights have clear bra, which is why the car is so damn clean. So the paint has never seen sunshine. Exposed bare without the clear bra. So I'm really excited about that. Really excited about that. Let me get this peeled off. I need to use my 2 hands. Wow, after a whole 5 minutes of labor, the stripes are gone off the car. This is what I love to see, the clean look of the Viper. I do love the stripes, as I mentioned, but not when they get tucked into the intake hole right over there. Now look at this thing. clean red Dodge Viper SRT. Look at that. We took all the stripes off. There is some residue we have to clean off with some rubbing alcohol. It'll take probably about 5 minutes with a microfiber towel. Give it a nice little soft rub down. Roof is fully wrapped with a clear bra. Hood is fully wrapped with clear bra. Bumper, headlights, rockers, behind the tires. Got all kinds of good PPF on this car in all the right places where it needs it. Right around here, there's some PPF as well. Did notice a little chip in the windshield right over here, so we'll have to get that straightened out and squared away. But I'm gonna wash this thing now and get rid of all of that adhesive and tune back in with you guys in just a few minutes. I decided I'm not gonna bore you guys with the car wash. So, I mean, if I was some like hot girl wearing a bikini washing a car, okay, you guys might like that, but I'm not gonna do that for you guys today. I'm sorry. All right, guys, so my car wash got a little bit carried away, and it's like 100 degrees out tonight. So don't mind the nudist thing going on here at my house. But my car wash got carried away because I am OCD about cars, and I like shit to be clean. So I looked at the wheel well, as you guys could see. I've got my light on here, so how nice is that? Look, you see how much I care about you people? I got a light here so we can even vlog at nighttime without any concern. So check this out. It's quite dirty down here, as you guys could see. You know, it's got a little bit of grime and whatnot over here, which is absolutely normal for any car that's, you know, been loved and enjoyed. You're gonna find some dirt here, but this needs to be cleaned up. I can't, this is unacceptable. So I jacked the car up. I'm gonna do a full cleaning inside, the whole 9 yards. You'll see before and after. And it looks like the front wheels had these spacers right over here. I remembered that a long time ago I actually bought different spacers, and let me show you guys why spacers are so necessary on a Viper. Check this out. So you come on over, you look from here and you don't see the wheel, right? It's like concaved inside the wheel well here. So the overhead view, that would be flush. That's how far in that they are. Okay, so we're gonna fix that today. There's already a spacer. You guys could see it right in there. That's the spacer right there. Okay, you see it? That little piece between the hub and the wheel, that's a spacer. I would say that's probably about 10 millimeters. Looks like about a centimeter, maybe. Yeah, about 12 millimeters I'd give it. 1.2 centimeters, that's what I'm seeing here. We're gonna put a 25 millimeter spacer up here just to pop these guys out about an inch. 25 millimeters is an inch, which is 2.5 centimeters, that's 1 inch. And you're gonna see how these wheels sit absolutely flush with the fender once we put them on. And we've got them on the garage over here. I ordered them a while ago because I knew I was gonna get another Viper. And they're ready to go. So I'm gonna take these guys off, clean them up, clean the wheel wells. Look at these steam rollers, you guys. Look at these things. To put that in perspective, here's a screwdriver. I mean, that might be a small screwdriver, but it's still a screwdriver. Here's my hand, okay? And I've got pretty big hands. Look at that. Look how big these damn things are. These are 355 30 by 19, and I think the car needs it. You guys saw what happened. I did a burnout earlier, ripped a nice one, left 2 fatty marks on the road, nice and squiggly for us. And these guys work really damn well. So I'm gonna take those the front wheel off, pop the spacer on, clean it up, and show you guys what it looks like after the spacer's installed. Okay, we're diving right into this. We're wasting no time. I've had the car for about an hour, and we're already getting busy in here. So we got some cleaning up to do, as you guys could see. All right, so here's what they are. It's Titan Wheel Accessories. It's hub centric made, sold by Titan Wheel. Look at that. It's 25 millimeters, which is equivalent to 2.5 centimeters, which is equivalent to 1 inch. So basically this goes on the wheel. You pop in the, sorry guys, I'm trying to, sometimes you wish you had a third hand, you know. You pop this onto the hub, you put the lug nuts through here, and yeah, that's how these things work. Let me go show you guys in action how it works. All right guys, so I went to my computer, took all the files from my GoPro, put it on the computer, watched all of them, and the last file, the outro, when I was showing you the end result of the spacer on my wheel, there was no audio. I don't know what the hell happened. So I'm here doing it again. It's the day after. It's Monday night now, and we've got some lights going on out here now so you guys can actually see what's going on. So it wasn't all too bad. It's kind of for the better. It was real dark last night when I was making the video, but it seems as though the wheel is entirely flush with the car. Check this out. Don't mind the car being dirty, despite me spending hours and hours cleaning it. It did rain for about 12 seconds here in Los Angeles, and it ruined my car wash. That's what happens. It's called Andre's Law. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong 100% of the time. But in any event, look at this wheel. Look at this thing. It is literally flush with the fender. As you guys can see, it's boom. There's even. There's the wheel. That is what you call proper fitment. That's how it should have been from the factory. I don't know what the hell was going on with the people that designed this car, but the wheel was in about 1 inch. 25 millimeters is 2.5 centimeters, which equates to exactly 1 inch. That's the spacer I've got on there. Look at that. It is perfect. And if you guys want to kind of peek inside, let me get my light on here, my nifty little light that I got. Get that thing going here for you guys. All right, look at that. That's the spacer right there. You can see how bulky it is. You see it? That right there. So remember, the lug nuts are not on the studs that come out of the hub. Those acorn looking lug nuts are holding the spacer onto the hub, and the car's factory lug nuts are holding the wheel onto the spacer. So that's how that worked, and it worked really nice. It came out really clean. Look at that spacing. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. I like it. I hope you guys like it. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the new car. It's going to be a nice project. This is now a very dirty shirt because I did an oil change that was very necessary on this car. And the Viper shirts are running low. We got about 25 units left. Make sure you grab yours while you still can. We're not going to come out with any more of that designed Viper shirt. We may have something later on, but for this specific launch of t-shirts and hoodies, we're not going to have any more. We've got 25 units left. Black, gray, and white. Make sure you grab yours while you still can. And subscribe, lower right-hand corner of your screen. Other than that, thanks for viewing. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the delivery of this car as much as I enjoyed finding it and making this vlog for all of you to enjoy.